Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have this awesome new product from Yes2, and it's Grapefruit. It's a hair vibrancy boosting mask. Usually I'm not a fan of Grapefruit, but I'm willing to give this a shot. My hair is like really lackluster, as the title says right here, right there. So I want to give it a try and see if it will help my hair. I actually washed my hair just a few minutes ago. I used the Tresemme Expert products, the conditioner and shampoo, and blow dried my hair, and this is what it looks like right now. And I want to give this a shot to see if it actually is going to give my hair some vibrancy and some color back. It says it's for unicorn hair, but I don't have unicorn hair, but does it really matter if it's supposed to help regain your hair color to some sort of like nice vitality? So I really want to give it a try, and the cat looks kind of cute, right? This is like a super cute picture. I want my hair like that. But we're going to open this bad boy up, and it doesn't take that long to do. Approximately like 10 minutes to process, which ain't bad for a mask. So far, it doesn't have any smell. You know me, and I'm big on smells. It kind of looks like a diaper sort of pad looking thing when it comes out. No mess. So you could just put that to the side. And all the product is inside of here, and it's a fancy shower cap. Rinse it out and use it for later. Shh. This is super cute though, kind of beachy, spring sort of kind of vibes. And you just put it on. Yeah, all the product is in here, you can tell. And we're going to put it on right now. I look stupid, I know. We're going to put it on, get our little baby hairs in here. Not hard to put on, which is nice. I don't usually wear shower caps, so I'm kind of like, I don't know about this, but so far so good. I look ridiculous. Walk Haley to school in this for the neighbors and community and all of Haley's friends. Just don't want to have that conversation. I'm going to take a sip of my drink here. Bubbly cherry, a great alternative for a Pepsi or Coca-Cola lover who loves cherry Coke. Great alternative and flavorful. Back to the task at hand, I just feel a lot of product in this band right here for some reason. I hope there's more product. It doesn't say to shake it or do anything like that. You just unfold and place on your head, and you adjust the fit like so. It says to massage the cap. And you can take a shower while obviously wearing this or doing whatever. I'm going to massage this in, come back in 10 minutes or so. Time is up. We're going to see how my hair looks after being in this thing for who knows how long. Well, it feels good. Gotta brush out my hair. It smells okay. Nothing spectacular. It doesn't smell like grapefruit, I don't think. Unless grapefruit smells like plastic. It's okay. It's a little bit damp. If you want to blow dry your hair, you could, but it says you could just style your hair right after applying the mask, so you should be able to do that, right? So that's what I'm going to do now, to see if that claim is true. My hair feels like Easter basket grass. My hair doesn't seem that vibrant. What do you think? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section below, even if my hair looks like crap. I don't think it did really much of anything, to be honest. It just made my hair damp. But it's okay though. I mean, it feels nourished though. It feels a little bit more, you know, revitalized in like nutrients, I guess. Like, it feels a lot healthier. That's what I'm trying to say. Hard to like brush my hair from all this dampness. I'm going to grab some brushes here that I have, some styling products. This one is from Tresemme Experts, the same brand of products I use to wash my hair. I use the same to style as well. Put a little mousse in here like so, touch it up. I don't feel like it did really much of anything for my hair, just made it a little bit more softer, but that's okay though. I'm not mad. But the color, well, it didn't work any miracles. I'm not saying hallelujah anytime soon. I'm going to tease my hair like I usually do, so it's not like I'm doing anything different from what my norm is. It's kind of hard to style my hair, to be honest, like this. It's just, not that great. I might have to blow dry my hair, probably, because this is, like, not working out very well. Finally, something manageable to work with. Let's bring out that big brush here. Where is it? Good old big brush. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. Big teasing comb. There. I don't know what to call it. Right here doesn't want to cooperate. Like, come on. Work with me here. Well, so far so good. My color ain't back, but styling is not an issue. I think that looks okay. My hair is like super white now. I don't know if you can notice it, but like, yeah. It brought out the white in my hair. Does that count for anything? I straightened my hair off camera because my camera was acting funky for some reason. Time to finish with the Tresemme Thrice 2 spray for intensity. And just shake and spray. Voila. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Well, that's the mask review for the new Yes to Grapefruit Vibrancy Boosting Mask. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this out for yourself and what has it done for your hair. Has it just made your hair just smooth and soft, or has it actually really did wonders for your hair? I would like to know what you thought about it in the comments below. Maybe check this out if you have like newly colored hair. Maybe it will do something for your hair, but if it's like mine, already colored, probably not. But it's a good way to, I guess, have fun and have moisturized hair for like the rest of the week, right? And check out Bubbly, not sponsored. It's awesome. Don't drink Coca-Cola and Pepsi, it's poison. thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a huge, wonderful thumbs up. I would really appreciate it so much. Be sure to share and subscribe with notifications on, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, such as every Wednesday and Saturday. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.